Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture, we will discuss about vegetative propagation and spore formation. Okay, so what is vegetative propagation, students? First we will discuss that. Vegetative propagation. Okay, so there are many plants. There are many plants in which parts like roots, stem and leaves develop into new plants under appropriate conditions. Unlike in most animals, unlike in most animals, plants can indeed okay use such a mode for reproduction. So what this mode is, student, in which roots, stems and leaves develop into new plants under appropriate conditions. Okay, so this property of vegetative propagation is used in methods such as, so these are the method in which it is used: layering or grafting, to grow many plants like sugarcane, to grow many plants like sugarcane, roses or grapes for agriculture purposes. So the plants raised by vegetative propagation can bear flowers and fruits earlier than those produced from seeds. So this is the main advantage of vegetative propagation method. Such methods are also made possible for propagation of plants such as banana, orange, rose and jasmine that have the capacity to produce seeds. Another advantage of vegetative propagation is that all plants produced are genetically similar enough to plant to the parent plant. So means they are genetically similar to their parents. Okay, and the more advantage is that they take can bear flowers and fruits earlier than those that are grown by the seeds. Okay, students. So now I hope that you are pretty clear about vegetative propagation. Now let's move to spore formation. So students, now let's discuss about spore formation. So in spore formation, even in multicellular organisms, specific reproductive parts can be identified. So how these reproductive parts can be identified? Here is an example of rhizopus, in which these are the stems, okay, and these are the main above part is called the spores. Okay, so these spores are the specific reproductive parts in a multicellular organism such as rhizopus. So these spores can now reproduce the new rhizopus. Okay, so this is how it is called as spore formation. Okay, now I am pretty sure that you are clear about what is spore formation. Okay, so in the next lecture, students, we will discuss about the sexual reproduction. So stay tuned for the next lecture on sexual reproduction. Thank you. Happy learning.